When you need ideas about making money online fast, read this. You may be interested in finding ways to make money online. The good news is that there are several options open to you. This video will provide you with some great ideas. It is then up to you to implement the ones into your life that seem most appropriate for your skills. Sign up to become a mystery shopper. This is a great way to make money, as you will have to shop at various places and take notes on your shopping experience. When you are finished, you will have to write up a report on the computer, which you will be compensated for. Remember, making money online is a long-term game. Nothing happens overnight when it comes to online income. It takes time to build up your opportunity. Don't get frustrated. Work at it every single day, and you can make a big difference. Persistence and dedication are the keys to success. Before you can earn money, you'll have to prove you're who you say you are. You will have to offer the same info as when you take on a real-life job. If you do not currently have your ID on digital file, make sure you get them before applying to make the process quicker. One great way to make money online is to write. If you have the talent and ability to write well with few or no grammatical and spelling errors, many people will want your services. Writing jobs can be anything from rewriting badly written information to writing all new, original information and more. You can also make money by writing your own content for a blog or video directory by making good use of keywords and opening an account with Google AdSense. It can be time-consuming to learn how to generate online income. A good starting point is to seek out others within the industry you are curious about and learn from them. Speak with people who know the industry and pick their brains. As long as you are receptive to the idea of earning money online, you are likely to succeed. Now that you have seen the different ways you can work online, you can choose which ones you want to pursue. Just think, you can make money right from your own home. So, get started making money online today. You will be glad that you made the decision to do this. Affiliate marketing is a sure way to get some extra cash. But there is better than just selling other people's products. You can sell your own products and make affiliates help you to also sell them. How can you achieve this? Pay close attention to the opportunity I will introduce to you. I will show you a site where you can download more than 12,500 digital products. They are all private label products. You can download, edit them, own them, and sell them to keep 100% of the profits. The digital products concerned include marketing software, ebooks, video courses, tutorials, articles, photos, templates, etc. The very good news is that you can start downloading for 100% free. With the free membership, you can download up to 500 products before deciding to upgrade for premium, where you will spend only $67 for a full year membership. Click the link in the description to register and access for free today. As you download the digital products, you can create your own affiliate program and recruit affiliates to sell them for you. In so doing, your profits will skyrocket by more than 1000% plus. Click the other link in the description to access a platform that will show you how you can create your own affiliate program.